So this is the video that we are going to create. To make this video you are going to need two things. The first one is a free plugin called as Hot 4D for Cinema 4D to make the ocean. You can download it from the link given in the description below. It is a free plugin. And the second thing is the 3D model of the astronaut. I had rigged the 3D model of the astronaut using Mixamo. You can download the 3D model from the description as well. I will provide the link. The final video will look like this.
And I was running far away.
That's it. But the original idea was taken from an artist that you all know called as Visual Dawn. So in Cinema 4D, choose plane, make it a very big plane, maybe about 3000 multiplied by 3000, and also divide it into a couple of segments, maybe like 150 multiplied by 150. And then apply the Hot 4D plugin and make it a child of the plane and change the ocean size to about 2500, wind speed to around 100, wavelength to around 100 as well, and choppiness to around 1. Also you can decrease the time scale to 0.3. And we got a cool animation. Then again we need a background, so create a plane, rotate it to about 90 degree and place this plane in the background. Click on this icon to change the view mode. Place the plane right behind where the ocean ends. And make the background plane very big, very big, I mean very large. Now we need to create some material, so go to material, new standard material, double click on it to change the properties, change the color to black, go to reflectance property then, and remove the default one and add a reflection legacy. Also check the transparency box, we need it to transparent but not that much. Change the brightness to about 50% and then go to luminance property and choose a image of a galaxy. Change the mode to multiply and change the brightness to about 125%, I mean around 120%, and don't forget to check the luminance box as well. You can apply this texture to the ocean and this is what it will look right now. We also need to create an material for the background, so do the same thing, double click on the new material and again uncheck all the things but go to luminance property and choose a new image of the galaxy. I will provide the images of the galaxy in the description below. Do the same thing, set the mix mode to multiply, brightness to about 120 or 125%. If we will preview it looks very awesome. Now we need the 3D model, so click on file and then merge project. Open your 3D model and click on no option if you get the same message. Select both of the files of the 3D model and press Alt G to group them and change the size of the new null to around 3 into 3 into 3 so it becomes a bit bigger, and then place your astronaut to the place where you like. Place your astronaut such that half of his hand is submerged in water. As you can see, it has changed the texture of my ocean. I don't know why it happens, but now we need to find the right texture of the astronaut. You just need to, you can change the color of the astronaut's dress, but I think the gray color is good, but I think like you should leave all the colors to white. We need to find the helmet's part so that we could make it very reflective so that it could reflect the whole galaxy. You can change the property of any material by just double clicking on it. So as you can see, it is the back of the helmet. I am going to make it a bit dark gray. This is the part of the helmet, so we need it to be very reflective. So go in reflectance channel, reflectance property, and remove the old one and add the reflectance legacy. And This is the main part of the helmet. So just go in reflectance, then remove the old one and add the reflectance legacy, and we will preview it. It looks good, but as you can see, my texture of the ocean is not looking that good. I don't know why it changed. It just happens with my software. Maybe it will not happen to you, but I just need to replace the reflectance legacy from old to new one. This is the step you are not going to do. Now if we will preview it, it just preview, but this is very dark area in its helmet, as you can see. So we need to make the front of the astronaut a bit brighter. So we are going to simply duplicate the background layer, and put the duplicated layer in front. You can duplicate by just simply pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl V to copy and paste the plane, and just place the plane in front of your character, your 3D model, and also create a camera. You can also add some light of your choice. You can change the color of the light as well. Go to light option, then new light, and go to general property and just change the light. As you can see, you cannot see it right now because I haven't changed the color. Just need to change the color. Go to render setting, change the frame range from current frame to all frames, and also you can choose any preset, but you can also leave it to the default option. Go in save option and then change it to PNG, or you can also choose MP4, but I am going to change it to PNG, and choose your destination and just close it and click on render, and voila, your video will be completed. This is completely optional, but you can just go in After Effects and change some, like add some glow and all, and this is the final video that you can watch for an hour. You can just watch this video over and over for an hour. So I will leave in peace.